class 7. Welcome to Math STEV. Today I am going to solve model creative question 1 in the chapter 2. Okay, our STEM chapter 2 model CQ 1. 8, 18 and 24 are three quantities of a proportion. Okay, we know a proportion has four quantities. A proportion has four quantities. Okay, here first three quantities are given. And first quantity is 8, second quantity is 18 and third quantity is 24. Okay, now solution at first question A. Show that fourth proportional equals to second proportional multiply third proportional divided by first proportional. Okay, we know in a proportion first proportional ratio, second proportional equals to first proportional is to second proportional equals to third proportional is to fourth proportional. What are proportionals? We know each quantity of a proportion is called a proportional. Okay, a proportion has four proportionals and we know first proportional ratio second proportional equals to third proportional ratio fourth proportional. Okay, or we can write first proportional ratio second proportional. That means first proportional divided by second proportional equals to third proportional ratio fourth proportional. That means third proportional divided by fourth proportional. Okay, or there are two sides. Now numerator of the first side will be multiplied by denominator of second side. Okay, equals to denominator of first side will be multiplied by numerator of second side. Okay, this is cross multiplication and by cross multiplication we can get first proportional multiply this one fourth proportional equals to second proportional will be multiplied by third proportional. Second proportional multiplied by third proportional. Okay, therefore fourth proportional equals to in right side second proportional multiply third proportional. Second proportional multiply third proportional. Okay, divided by first proportional will change its position, so it will be denominator of the right side. It is first proportional. It is shown. Question: find the fourth proportional of the given quantities. Okay, each quantity is called a proportional of a proportion. Okay, given first proportional, that means first quantity 8. Second proportional equals to, that means second quantity 18. Third proportional equals to third quantity 24. From A we get fourth proportional. Fourth propor equals to second proportional multiply third proportional divided by first proportional equals to, what is the second proportional? Second proportional is 18 multiply, what is the third proportional? Third proportional is 24 and denominator first proportional, what is the first proportional? First proportional is 8. Okay, and if I cut 24 by 8 we get 3 equals to 18 multiplied 3 equals to 54. This is the fourth proportional. Okay, this is the answer 54. Now solution of C. The problem: first two quantities are two marginal quantities of a continued proportion for the proportion. We know in a continued proportion three quantities are there. First and third quantities are called marginal quantities and second quantity is called mid quantity. Okay, given first quantity, what is the first quantity? 8. Third quantity equals to 18 because first and second quantities are two marginal quantities. So first quantity is 8 and third quantity is 18. Okay, and to form proportion, at first we have to find mid quantity. Okay, we know mid quantity square equals to first quantity multiply third quantity. Okay, what is the first quantity? First quantity is 8 and third quantity is 18. Okay, and multiplication of this 1, 4, 4. Therefore, mid quantity equals to square root of 1, 4. Okay, mid quantity square equals to 144. So mid quantity equals to square root of 144. And square root of 144, that is 144, is 12. Okay, so required continued proportion is, what is the required continued proportion? First quantity ratio second quantity. That means first quantity 8 ratio second quantity, that means mid quantity 12. Proportion symbol second quantity ratio third quantity, that means mid quantity 12 ratio third quantity 18. This is the answer. I am going to solve model creative question 2 in the chapter 2. In model CQ2, an amount of money is distributed amongst A, B and C in the ratio of 2:1:3. Okay, now solution A. Our question in A, what part of money A gets? Okay, now ratio of the amounts of A, B and C. What? 2:1:3. Okay. Now, sum of the numbers of ratio. What? 2 plus 1 plus 3. Okay. 2 for A, 1 for B and 3 for C. Okay. Equals to 3 plus 1 4 and 4 plus 2 6. Okay. Now we have to find out the part of A. That means A gets how many parts? What is the quantity for A? This is 2. Okay. This is 2. And what is the sum of total quantities? It is 6. Okay. That means 2 by 6 part. Okay. If I cut 2 by 2, we get 1. And if I cut 6 by 2, we get 3. Equals to 1 divided by 3 part. This is the answer. Okay. In question B, if total amount is taka 4320, then find the amounts of B and C. Okay. Solution of B, total amount. Total amount is given and it is taka 4320. Ratio of the amounts of A, B and C equals to how much? 2:1:3. Okay. Sum of the numbers of ratio. What is the sum of the numbers of ratio? 2 plus 1 plus 3 equals to 6. Okay. Now, B gets what? B gets, in the ratio, 1 is the quantity for B. Okay. So, 1 divided by total 6. 1 by 6 of how much money? Taka 4320 equals to, if 4320 cut by 6, then we get 720. Okay. And product is taka 720. Again, C gets equals to how much? In the ratio, what is the quantity for C? It is 3. So we have to write 3 divided by total 6 of taka total amount 4320. Okay. If 4320 cut by 6, then result is 720 and 720 is multiplied by 3 and it will be taka. Okay, taka 2160. 2160. Okay. Answer taka 720 and taka 2160. Okay. Question C. B gets taka 660. How much will A gets? Okay. C. Ratio of the amounts of A and B equals to, what is the ratio of the amounts of A and B? Given ratio of the amounts of A, B and C is 2:1:3. It is for A, it is for B and it is for C. So we can write only this part. 2:1. Okay. Given B gets equals to how much money? Taka 660. Let A gets equals to Taka X. Let A gets Taka X. Okay. Now, according to the question, what is the amount of A? This is X. Ratio. What is the amount of B? This is 660. Okay. In both cases, unit is Taka and it will be vanished. No unit is there. X ratio 660. But given ratio of the amounts of A and B is 2:1. That means this equals to 2:1. Or we can write in this form x divided by 660. X ratio 660 means x by 660 equals to, in this case also, 2 divided by 1. Okay. Or now cross multiplication, x is multiplied by 1. Okay. And we get x equals to 660 is multiplied by 2. 660 multiply 2. Therefore, what is the value of x? 660 multiplied by 2 equals to 6 to 12, 2 carry 1, 6 to 12 1, 13, and this 0. Okay, so x equals to 1320 and A gets Taka X. That means A gets Taka 1320. A gets Taka 1320. This is the answer.